In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Mailerlite 2025, step by step. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where Mailerlite keeps the main sections of your account, and the one we need for this tutorial is subscribers. Go ahead and click subscribers. This section is where you manage the people in your audience, including how they're organized. If you're new to Mailerlite, groups are a simple way to keep contacts sorted based on things like interest, source, or customer type. That makes them especially useful when you want to send more targeted email campaigns later on. After opening the subscribers area, click the Groups tab. This will take you to the part of Mailerlite where all of your existing groups are listed. If you haven't created any yet, that's completely fine. This is exactly where you can start building your first one. Now click Create Group. Mailerlite will open a field or prompt where you can enter the name of your new group. Choose a name that clearly describes who belongs in that group so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might use something like newsletter subscribers, new leads, or VIP customers. The best group names are specific and practical, especially if you plan to create several groups over time. Once you've typed in the name for your group, click Create. Mailerlite will then generate the group for you right away. And that's it. Your new group is now created and ready for subscribers. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to name your groups consistently from the start. Clear naming helps you stay organized as your email list grows, and it can save time when you're building campaigns, automations, or sign-up forms later. Even though creating the group only takes a moment, choosing the right name can make your workflow much smoother in the long run. So to recap, you log into Mailerlite, open subscribers from the left-hand menu, go to the Groups tab, click Create Group, enter your group name, and then click Create. That's all you need to do to create a group in Mailerlite in 2020.